Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So let's commence the video with the MS Word Part 4. So today we are going to learn about two features in MS Word because one feature is very small. So I thought that I will be going to cover two features in MS Word. One is layout and another one is review. So in the layout section, here are very few features. So in these features we are going to learn about only two features, and then other three features I am going to tell about those orally. So first feature in the layout section is margins. Margins is used to add margins to your text. First of all, I am writing any text. And now you can select the text, go to layout page, now click on margins. So as you can see, here are many margins which you can use: normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, or custom margins also. Here you can customize the margins according to your own way. So I'm going to use the wide margin. So as you can see, my text has been moved from one place to another because of the margins which I have set for my text. So basically margins is used to set your text in the page. Another feature in the layout section is orientation. Orientation is used to add the size, which you can also learn into the size feature. So we are going to learn about the size feature. As you can see, here are many sizes which you can select. Mostly people use A4 size because whenever they are going to print any of their pages, their documents or their files, it will be asked to give in A4 size. So I'm going to teach you that how to make the page of any other size. I'm going to select the letter. Now you can see my page is shifted to the letter size. Firstly, previously it was A4 size, now it's the letter size page, and now you can print it according to the letter size. So this is how the size feature is used. Another feature is columns. We are not going to learn about it because it will be used in the paragraph section or also while writing essays and stories. So it is used to add the columns. Another feature is breaks. Breaks is used for adding the breaks into the pages which you have used. If you have selected 3 or 4 pages and if you want to add some breaks in the pages, then you use the break button in order to add the breaks in between your pages. So this will going to help you find the pages accordingly and very easily. So now we are going to learn about another section, which is the review section. So click on the review section. Here are many features. In the review section, you are going to select the text at first. Now click on the review button. Click on spelling. So if you have written any of the text, it will going to check your spelling that you have made any of the mistake or not. So click on spelling button. As you can see, it is showing my name as the wrong spelling, but I know it's right one, so I can use this red button, and now you can see the spell check is done and it will be corrected. I've written a wrong word. Now click on review section. I'm going to tell you that how spelling is being checked. Click on spelling button. As you can see, it's showing that I've written something which is not correct. So you can select any of the correct word from all of these. Click on the right word which is going and it will be corrected. Now you can see this is how you can check your spelling in the file. It doesn't matter how long you have written your text, it will be checked by spell check button. Another feature is proofing and language. Click on this. It will going to prove that your language is correct or not. So this is how you can use this feature. Another is read aloud. So whatever you have written in your text, if you click on read aloud, the text is being read it by computer itself or the phone itself. As you are seeing, my text is being highlighted from word to word as it is reading aloud my text. So this is how you can use this feature. Another feature is smart lookup. Click on, so you do not need to use this feature as it is not that important. Another thing is word count. Word count is used to count your words. Whatever you have written in your text, it will be counted even if it's a dot. So it will count all the words whatever you have written in your text. What you need to do is click on word count. As you can see, it's showing pages 1. Words are used 10. Characters with no spaces are 42. Characters with spaces are 50. Fine. As you can also count the word. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will going to tell you the correct thing only. Another feature in the review section is new comment. I have also used this feature in insert section, so we do not need to learn about it again. If you want to learn about comment button, you can learn it in the insert section by watching my MS Word Part 2 video. Another thing is track changes. So if you have made any of the change, you can track it by clicking on the track changes button. So this is how this feature is used. Another thing is all markup. All markup feature is used for adding markup so that you can remember that you have done any markup in your file, so that afterwards if you want to do any change in the markup, you can do so. So this is how MS Word works and all of its feature works. I hope it helps. Toodles.